Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to use promo codes on Daraz. So Daraz is India's kind of like Amazon, one of the many. And if you want to use promo code, it is very easy. Of course, you need to be logged into your account. If you don't have an account, just sign up. It's very easy. You can use your Facebook account or any of your emails, most specifically Gmail. So once you find something that you want to buy, for example, let's buy this AirPod. And for this example, let's click buy now, right? As you can see, this is a new account, so I haven't really set up everything, but you're going to see a tab here that says promotion. It says here, enter store/Daraz code. So this is your promo code, and just enter it here and then click on apply. If it is a live or, a promo code that has not expired yet, you'll be able to apply whatever promo code it is, however much you're going to save, or maybe a free delivery of sorts. And then once you're done, you can just proceed to pay out and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.